morning children. This video is for 23rd January. Now we have completed from sample paper 5 18 questions. Now we are going to do 19th one. The sides of the quadrilateral taken in order are 9 meter, 40 meter, 15 meter, 28 meter. If the angle between first two sides is a right angle, find its area. The question is given but no diagram is given. The first step is that we should complete the diagram. So here it's a quadrilateral, means a four-sided figure. So AB, BC, CD and DA. Now here it is given that the angle between the first two sides is a right angle. So here I can mark 90 degree. Now what are the sides? AB, A, B, C, D, the vertexes. Next 9 meter, 40 meter, 15 meter, 28 meter. Okay. With the quadrilateral, we cannot find the area. So what is the condition? That we should join one diagonal and we are going to get two triangles only. Okay. Now the diagonal, joined diagonal AC, and it is divided into two triangles. Which are the triangles? ABC and ADC. So solution. Right here, join AC in quadrilateral ABCD. Now area ABC, triangle ABC equal to half into base into height, because it's a 90 degree. So we can apply here base into height formula. So half into 40 into 9. It is equal to 20 into 9, 180 meter square. That means the area of the quadrilateral divided into two triangle we have told, and already we have got the area of the triangle ABC. Now what is the next portion? ADC is the next triangle, but we have only two sides, which are the 15 meter and 28 meter. So we need the third side. So by using Pythagoras theorem, because it's a 90 degree, by using Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse value we can find out. So we can write here in triangle ABC, it is already given that the angle between the first two sides is 90 degree. That means angle B equal to 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to 9 square plus 40 square equal to 81 plus 1600 equal to 1681. Therefore, AC equal to root 1681 equal to 41. So we got here 41. Now what is the next step? A equal to 41, B equal to 15, okay, B equal to 15, C is equal to 28 meter. Now three sides are given, so semi-perimeter we should calculate. S equal to 41 plus 28 plus 15 divided by 2. It is equal to 84 by 2 equal to 42 meter. So by Heron's formula we required, so we will write that area ACD equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is this step? Heron's formula. Equal to root of S means 42. S minus A, 42 minus 41, 42 minus 15, 42 minus 28 under the root equal to root of 42 into 1 into 27, right? 27 into 40, right? Now we have to take the root only. Already we are having 42, that means we are writing the factors 7 into 6. Next 1 only, 9 into 3 into 7 into 2. So 2 times 7 is the, so 1 7 we can take out. Again 9 is the root is 3 and 6 3 and 2, that means 2 times 6. So it is equal to 21 into 6, 126 meter square. Equation number 2. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD equal to 180 plus 126 equal to 306 meter square. So by joining the diagonal we are getting two triangles. So separately we should calculate the area and we should add for getting the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Plot the following ordered pairs x, y, x comma y of the numbers as points in the Cartesian plane. X as 0, y as 2.5. Next minus 4.50, minus 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 5, minus 3 minus 2, 4 minus 6. So already it is a graph paper required. You should have a graph paper and also draw the x-axis and y-axis. Like this we will get the points. See, when you are doing the plotting the graph paper, don't forget to mark x-axis and y-axis, right? So the first point is 0, 2.5. It is here 0, 2.5. Minus 4.50. So minus 4.5 means minus 4 and minus 5 in between, and 0 means no movement in the y-axis. What is the next point? Minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 is here, 3 is upward direction. 2 comma 5, 2 on x-axis, then y 5 only. Like that each point. What is the left point? Minus 3, minus 2, 4 and minus 6. I think 4 and minus 6 is not visible to you. Okay, it will be here. Now all the points are plotted here. Now once again you can see all the points. All points are shown here. Just go through that one. When you are doing the plotting the points, don't forget to write the x-axis and y-axis, because the naming of the axis also carries some mark in the marking scheme. So don't forget. Next question. Section D, it carries 4 marks. So first question, simplify 1 by 2 plus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus root 6 plus 1 by root 6 plus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 plus root 8. Here children should not skip the steps because it carries 4 mark only. So solution now. 1 by 2 plus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus root 6 plus 1 by root 6 plus root 7 plus 1 by root 7 plus root 8. It is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5 by 2 minus root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus root 6. Here plus only. So you know that minus only the multiplication and rationalizing factor. So it is root 5 minus root 6 plus 1 by root 6 plus root 7 into root 6 minus root 7, root 6 minus root 7. One by root 7 plus root 8 into root 7 minus root 8 divided by root 7 minus root 8. 2 minus root 5 in the numerator, 2 square minus root 5 square plus root 5 minus root 6 divided by root 5 square minus root 6 square plus root 6 minus root 7, root 6 square minus root 7 square, plus root 7 minus root 8 divided by root 7 square minus root 8 square equal to 2 minus root 5, 4 minus 5 plus root 5 minus root 6 by 5 minus 6, root 6 minus root 7 by minus 1, 6 minus 7 I should write first, plus root 7 minus root 8 by 7 minus 8. So 4 minus 5, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 7, 7 minus 8 all are having minus 1 only. So 2 minus root 5 by minus 1, root 5 minus root 6 by minus 1, plus root 6 by minus root 7 by minus 1, plus root 7 minus root 8 by minus 1. It's equal to 2 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 6 plus root 6 minus root 7 plus root 7 minus 8 whole divided by minus 1. So minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 6 plus root 6 minus root 7 plus root 7 will get cancelled. So here root 8 is there. So what is the next step? 2 minus root 8 by minus 1. Or we can say minus 2 plus root 8 or 8 minus root 2 is the answer. See, we have to write all the steps. Rationalizing the factor must be shown, simplification must be shown, and write down. Don't write after getting this 2 minus root 5 by 4 2 square minus root 5. Suddenly you are going to get a 2 minus root 5 plus root 5 minus root 6 like that. If you are skipping these many steps, your mark will be reduced. You will not have full marks in the paper because marking scheme means we will have each step carries the mark. So don't skip the steps. Next question, a equal to root 3 minus root 2, b equal to by divided by root 3 plus root 2, b equal to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Find the value of a square plus b square minus 5ab. Solution now. A equal to root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. What we must do? We should rationalize. Multiply and divide with the root 3 plus 2. That means numerator we will have, this is minus only. Root 3 minus root 2 whole square divided by root 3 square minus root 2 square. That means root 3 square minus 2 root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 square. 3 minus 2 in the denominator. So 3 minus 2 root 6 plus 5. 2 root 6 plus 2 divided by minus 1. That means 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by 1 plus 1 only. 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So our answer is 5 minus 2 root 6. Now similarly we should go for b. B equal to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Multiply and divide with the plus only. So root 3 plus 2 by root 3 plus root 2. It is equal to root 3 plus root 2 whole square divided by root 3 square minus root 2 square. Okay, I'll 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6 divided by 3 minus 2. That means 5 plus 2 root 6 is the answer by 1. So A we got as 5 minus 2 root 6. B we got as 5 plus 2 root 6. Now we will go for the question a square. Therefore a square plus b square minus 5ab. Substituting the values, 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square plus 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square minus 5 into what is a 5 minus 2 root 6 into 5 plus 2 root 6. So it is a minus b whole square only. So 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6 whole square plus 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6 whole square minus 5 bracket a plus a minus b into a plus b, that is a square, means 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square. So already without calculating this one, the middle term plus 2ab and minus 2ab will get cancelled. Now what is the 5 square? It is 25. 2 square is 4. 4 into 6 it is 24. Again 25. Again 24. Minus 5 into 25 minus 24. Right? Okay. Now 25 plus 24 is 49. Again 25 plus 24 is 49. Or we can say 25 is 50. Again 48. So our answer is 98. Minus 5 into 1. So 98 minus 5, it is equal to 93 is the answer. So we got the value for a square plus b square minus 5ab. If f of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 4, find f of 2, plus f of minus 2 plus f of 0. So I'll take down what is f of x now. F of 2 next, that is 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 4. It is equal to 8 minus 3 4s are 12 plus 6 minus 4. So 8 plus 6 14 minus 12 minus 4 minus 16. So 14 minus 16 equal to minus 2. What is the next step? F of minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 8 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Next 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Again minus 4. So all the answers are minus only. Once again we can check. It is minus 8 will come. Here plus into minus will come. Again plus into minus, again minus 4. So 6 plus 4 10. 12 plus 8 20. 20 plus 10 is 30 only. The answer is minus 30. What is the next? F of 0. 0 cube minus 3 into 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 4. 0 into anything is 0. The answer is minus 4. Therefore, f of 2 plus f of minus 2 plus f of 0 equal to minus 2 minus 30 minus 4 minus 36. Next question. X square plus 1 by x square equal to 11. Find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube using the positive value of x minus 1 by x. So x cube minus 1 by x to be calculated and x square plus 1 by x square is given. So we will take down that. What is x minus 1 by x whole square? We will expand this one. X square minus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. That means x square plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 only. So x square plus 1 by x square is given as 11. So 11 minus 2, it is equal to 9. Therefore, x minus 1 by x equal to root 9, that means plus or minus 3. But in the question itself, it is told that positive value only. Therefore, x minus 1 by x equal to plus 3, positive value. Right? Now what is asked the question? X cube minus 1 by x cube is asked. Right? This is the question mark for us. So we are using which formula? X minus 1 by x whole cube. So x minus 1 by x whole cube, or we can say a minus b whole cube. A cube, that is x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x bracket x minus 1 by x. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. If any doubt is there, means I'll write the formula here. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So it is equal to x minus 1 by x, we got the value as 3 only. So 3 cube equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. X and 1 by x will get cancelled. So minus 3 into x minus 1 by x, again it is 3. So 27 equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 9. Right? So we are bringing minus 9 to this side. So it is implies 27 plus 9 equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Therefore, what is the next step? What is the value for x cube minus 1 cube? X cube minus 1 cube equal to 36. I hope the steps are very clear to you. Practice the questions. Every pattern is important. These all are the sample paper questions. With this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.